Don't worry, you don't need to get your eyes checked. You read it right. We've just driven the 2018 Holden Commodore, in prototype form, and it's a cracker. The next generation Commodore will be based entirely on the Opel insignia. In fact, it won't receive any panel or body changes, aside from Holden badges. But, don't think that means Holden's Australian engineers won't have anything to do with it. As it is with many General Motors cars, Holden has been involved with the next Commodore, Opel insignia, for the past 6 years. Holden's involvement stretches from design all the way through to engineering, with the vehicle's potent performance engine driven into the program by Holden.